Good morning, and today we're gonna look at some English problems. What you will need is your learner's book, your exercise book, and of course your pencil case. This is the question that we started in class yesterday, page 43 of the learner's book. The question with the octopuses and the starfish. So let's read it again. There are 10 octopuses and 10 starfish in a tank. How many tentacles are there altogether? If you needed to buy socks for the tentacles of the octopuses, how many pairs would you need? And how many tentacles are there if one octopus and one starfish are left? Okay, so remember that you need to draw the question. So obviously a tank with starfish and octopuses inside. Remember to draw the right number. Then you have to write your answers in sentences. These are just examples. They are not the correct answers. Then write number sentences for your answers. Example here, okay, which is also not correct. And that, try this one again. It's on page 43 of your learner's book. Let's take a look at it together. Okay, so here we have Tal bought 3 boxes of sweets for $4 per box. So one box costs $4. Afia bought 4 bags of sweets for $3 per bag. They had $15 each. So Tal had $15 and also Afia had $15. Was that enough? So was $15 each enough to buy these boxes of sweets and these bags of sweets? How much did they spend all together? So taking Tal's sweets and Afia's sweets, what was the total cost? And see if they combined their change. Could they buy any more bags or boxes of sweets? Remember, you have to draw something representing the question. Then write your answers in sentences and write number sentences for your answers. Now, pause the video. Start answering the questions. You can also use your learner's book to check the questions without going back in the video. If you have any problems, you can continue watching the video, and when you finished your homework, when you finished the answers to the questions, you can continue watching the video because I will be showing you the correction. Okay, so now pause the video and do your work on your exercise book. So, when you're ready, we're going to look at the correction of these questions. Question 2. There are 10 octopuses and 10 starfish in a tank. How many tentacles are there altogether? Here's the answer. There are 130 tentacles altogether. One octopus has 8 tentacles, so 10 octopuses have 8 times 10, which is 80. One starfish has 5 tentacles, so 10 starfish have 5 times 10, which is 50. In total, 80 plus 50 equals 130. You can pause the video if you need to correct anything, and when you're ready you can play. If you needed to buy socks for the tentacles of the octopuses, how many pairs would you need? Here we're talking about obviously the 10 octopuses and the 10 starfish in the tank. So here we go. You need 40 pairs of socks. 10 octopuses have 80 tentacles, and so each octopus would have 4 tentacles. 80 tentacles divided by 2 equals 40 pairs of socks. How many tentacles are there if 1 octopus and 1 starfish are left in the tank? So here, if there's just 1 octopus and 1 starfish, we would have 13 tentacles left. 8 plus 5 equals 13. I hope you didn't have any problems with that. Take a look at question number 3. Tao bought 3 boxes of sweets for $4. Afia 4 bags of sweets for $3. Was $15 each enough? Well, yes, of course, $15 was enough. Tao paid 3 times 4, $12, and Afia paid 4 times $3, which was also $12. How much did they spend altogether? They spent $24 altogether. Tao spent $12 and Afia spent $12 too. 12 plus 12 equals $24. Here's our last question. If they combined their change, could they buy any more bags or any more boxes of sweets? Well, the answer is yes, they can buy more bags and boxes of sweets. Tao got $3 change and Afia got $3 change too. 3 plus 3 equals $6. So they can buy 2 more bags of sweets or 1 box. Okay, I hope that was clear. I will be back soon. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.